In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Gusto account on the app. Navigating through modern software applications to make changes to your account, especially to cancel it, can sometimes feel like threading a needle in the dark. Worry not, because the process to cancel your Gusto account is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through every step of the way so you can accomplish this task with ease and clarity. Let's begin by visiting the official Gusto website. Gusto, known for its comprehensive online payroll and HR solutions, makes it fairly simple for users to manage their accounts. Open your preferred web browser, type in gusto.com in the address bar, and press enter. You'll be directed to the home page of Gusto's website, which is the starting point for the account cancellation process. The next step is to access your account by signing in. To do this, look for the Sign In option, which you'll find prominently displayed on the home page. Clicking on this will take you to the Sign In page, where you have multiple options to authenticate and access your account. For those of you who've used Google to sign up for Gusto, you'll find the option Sign In with Google particularly convenient. Selecting this option prompts you to choose the Google account associated with your Gusto account. This might involve entering your Google email and password if you're not already signed in on your browser. Go ahead and select the account you wish to proceed with. Upon successfully signing in, you'll be taken to the dashboard of your Gusto account. This is where you can manage various aspects of your account, from payroll settings to team management. However, our focus today is on navigating to the cancellation settings. Start by locating your name on the top right corner of the dashboard. This is typically displayed as a personal identifier or profile picture, depending on how you've set up your account. Clicking on your name reveals a drop-down menu with several options. Among these, you're looking for the Settings option. Click on Settings to proceed to the next stage of this process. In the Settings menu, you'll find various sections related to your account and its management. We're interested in the Plan and Billing section for today's purpose. There's a clear link or button labelled Plan and Billing, and clicking on it will direct you to the page where you can review your current plan details, along with billing information. Now, navigating within the Plan and Billing section, you'll need to scroll down to find the option related to account management. Keep an eye out for Manage Account or a similar phrase. Within this section lies the Cancel Account option. It could be a button or a link, depending on the current design of the website. This is the option you need to select to initiate the cancellation of your Gusto account. Clicking Cancel Account begins the cancellation process. It's commonplace for applications to ask for confirmation or provide you with information regarding what account cancellation entails. This might include reminders about data that will be inaccessible post-cancellation or offers to downgrade instead of cancelling. Each step should be reviewed carefully to ensure you're making informed decisions regarding the cancellation. And there you have it. Following these steps should successfully lead you through the process of cancelling your Gusto account directly through the app. Remember, while the aim today was to cancel an account, it's always worth considering reaching out to customer support if there are specific issues that could be resolved, potentially making Gusto still valuable for your needs. In conclusion, cancelling your Gusto account is a process that, while potentially bittersweet, is made as straightforward as possible by Gusto's user-friendly interface. Whether you're downsizing, transitioning to another service, or simply taking a break from using digital HR solutions, knowing how to navigate these waters is crucial. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. I hope it has illuminated each step of the cancellation process clearly and efficiently for you.